What's up, everyone? I'm working on ITL 520, week 1, discussion 2. The prompt tells us to read the articles, select 2 key areas that the articles touch on, and talk about how they can be integrated in our subject matter, and then write and reflect on how to measure student proficiency in the digital literacy areas. So the 2 that I chose, and this was a little bit confusing to me. I'm not really sure how this relates to physical education because it's less academic and we're outside. I know there was a period of time when during COVID, there was distance learning and students had to be more tech savvy, but students can locate and verify reliable sources of information. The COVID distance learning came to mind here, so they had to know how to research principles that talked about physical education. They had to know how to navigate through Zoom or Microsoft meetings and basically get the most out of, being inside and being in front of a computer screen when learning about physical education. The second one, students can constructively engage in digital communities. I just thought about team sports here. I don't know how digital communities with physical education goes hand in hand. I'm not really getting this, but in sports, teaming up for soccer or basketball, that helps students self-esteem. It helps them think critically. It builds confidence. Once a team member brings something positive to the team, that gives them a sense of belonging, and that can really be a positive when it comes to the social emotional learning side of things. Let me get to the second part of this prompt real quick. Okay, so reflect on how you will measure student proficiency in the digital literacy key areas that you choose. I guess for that second one, when my students are in team situations, I'll know that they're grasping what we're talking about when I see positive interactions. There's no negative self-talk. There's no put downs. It's more of a constructive atmosphere where everybody's going at the same goal. So, and I can read that through their verbal communication and their nonverbal communication, body language, stuff like that. So I just want to make sure everybody's positive and helping each other to have fun and compete, but also respect their opponents and respect their classmates. So that's kind of how my funds of knowledge kind of answered this prompt. So hope you guys enjoy. Let me know what you think. Thanks.